It's like a pet. You could have that as a pet. I'm showing the girls the beauty of cooking Thanksgiving dinner and just how thankful we all are for each other. I'm thankful for you.
Thank you. I'm thankful for you. I'm thankful for Daddy. I like my dad.
Hey guys, welcome back. Since we're stuck in COVID and we're not going to be able to eat Thanksgiving dinner anywhere, we are going to make it ourselves. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do, take it out and wash it.
Ew, is that blood?
You put the bag on.
Is that blood? That's blood?
Put the bag on.
This is a real turkey?
Yeah.
I'm not eating that.
Oh, what are you doing?
How do you open it? Whoa. Is that a bone? That's a bone. And a wing? Is that a chicken wing?
Okay, step one is to wash the turkey.
After it's all washed.
Use your hands.
No!
Yeah.
I'm not doing that.
Just wash it.
Why is that so ugly and gross? They took off the head. Ew, that's hard.
No, those are different organs. The heart.
Mommy, I don't want. They eat its heart. They will eat the heart.
Next, we're gonna add some stovetop stuffing. Holy moly!
It's cold. Actually, I'm not eating. I already know how you. Wait, do we eat this all the time?
All the time.
Eat that? Celery, 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 celery. Okay, you want to do the last piece? No. Why? Are you making with a box?
That's all it made?
Yeah, why is there nothing the chicken?
How many pieces? How many pieces of celery did you cut?
All three.
Stop!
Oh my gosh, it's bleeding! The turkey's bleeding! It's bleeding?
So we need to bring that to a boil. So we opened up the turkey, we washed the turkey, we removed that weird bag that was inside of the turkey. Now we're gonna brush it with butter, simultaneously making the stuffing. All right, dip it in there and brush the whole thing.
Mommy, do I have to have Thanksgiving dinner?
Yes.
I will not have this.
We're making it a tinfoil bed so it can sleep its last sleep. Pick it up. It's like a pet. You could have that as a pet. Don't throw it.
I can finish painting the turkey. Well, then what is that?
Stuffing.
You what?
Open it up and put the stuffing inside.
You open it, I'll put this stuff in.
Go ahead.
There's stuff in the turkey. It's very ugly. It's warm. What? Stop. I can't open something. Seriously.
So we've stuffed our bird. We've put it in the dish. I've been preheating the oven. Now we add the seasoning.
I want to add it.
I don't trust you.
I won't add that much like I did last time. Here I go.
Okay, there you go.
What exactly is
Sprinkle it all over.
Is that good?
That's good. Now rub it in. Oh, okay. That's not sanitary.
Here you go. I got all the cookies.
Could you stop me with a knife? Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, please feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next week.
Give me